Hi, I'm Sue from Sue Pellin Designs. Let me tell you about a brand new online course for practicing using the Leaves Galore template to cut out all of your fused applique shapes to make this gorgeous quilt. This quilt lets the fabric do most of the work by using a beautiful gradation fabric, a fabric that changes color from one edge of the fabric to the other end. We're able to cut out these very simple applique shapes, perfect our machine stitching, and make this beautiful quilt in only 6 weeks. This is a 6-week online course, and we're going to complete this quilt top together. If you sign up by January 7th, you'll be ready with your fabrics all prepared, and we're going to start delivering this course to you by January 14th. So on January 14th, we're all going to start this quilt together. We're going to share our progress, ask questions, and get to know all about using the Leaves Galore tools to cut out your applique shapes with your rotary cutter. Now we don't do this one layer at a time. We cut out our applique shapes up to 4 layers at a time to make applique cutting so fast and easy. I'm excited to have you join me on this journey to learn how to use your Leaves Galore tools by completing this beautiful quilt top. In only 6 weeks, we're going to get the quilt top finished with very little homework. It's really going to be so fast and fun to do together. And then as an added bonus, I'm going to give you 2 extra weeks of lessons. The first bonus week is going to be quilting on our domestic sewing machine. So you'll notice that I haven't quilted this top yet. That's because I want to do it during filming so that I can show you how to mark quilting designs. Again, going back to those Leaves Galore tools to mark continuous quilting designs that we can do with the walking foot on our sewing machine. Then in week 8, we're going to perfect our binding and finishing skills. So if you join by January 7th, I'm going to offer you those 2 free bonus weeks. I'm so excited to get started. Please join us now just by clicking on the links on my website, and I'm ready to get you registered so that we can all kick off on my birthday, January 14th.